All right, we are going to assemble these legs now to our cornhole set with some specialty hardware. So we've got a carriage bolt, a washer, and a wing nut on here that are going to hold this whole assembly on here, and they're also going to be placed specifically so that it will be able to pivot down into the cornhole set for storage. How we're going to do that is we're going to take one of our legs here, clamp it to the piece so that it's all the way down and all the way up to this joist right here. From there, I'm just going to grab a 3/8 bit here. I'm going to center it on the 2x4. Okay, I'm going to come 1.5 inches up and 1.5 inches down on my 2x4. And I'm going to come 1.5 inches in through there. Then I'm just simply going to drive a hole all the way through. Now, I've got room for my hardware to work from the outside. Thread on my washer, my wing nut. There is our swivel joint right there. There's a little movement in that carriage bolt, but that's okay. It's going to allow that to swing up and down. Next step is going to be to add that support piece through here.